So, what exactly is the pineal gland? The pineal gland, a small endocrine organ nestled deep within the brain, has intrigued scientists and philosophers for centuries. Often referred to as the third eye, this tiny gland plays a pivotal role in regulating our sleep-wake cycles and is associated with various physiologic and neuroendocrine functions. Shaped like a pine cone, the pineal gland measures approximately 0.8 centimeters in length and weighs about 0.1 grams in an adult male. It is situated between the thalamic bodies, behind the habenula commissure, and near the corpora quadrigemina, adjacent to the third ventricle. This strategic positioning allows it to interact closely with various parts of the brain, being the anatomical center of the brain. The gland comprises primarily pineocytes, which are main functional cells and interstitial or supporting cells. Notably, the pineal gland contains structures known as corpora arenacea, or brain sand, which are calcified deposits that tend to increase with age. These calcifications are often visible on radiographic images and can serve as anatomical landmarks. Embryologically, the pineal gland originates from the roof of the third ventricle. By the 7th week of gestation, this area thickens, forming a cavity connected to the third ventricle. As development progresses, the parenchyma differentiates into tubules, which then transform into innervated cells separated by connective tissue, culminating in the mature gland structure. The pineal gland receives sympathetic innervation from the superior cervical ganglion and parasympathetic input from the optic and pterygopalatine ganglia. Additionally, neurons from the trigeminal ganglion containing the neuropeptide PACAP innervate the gland. Its blood supply is primarily derived from the posterior cerebral arteries' choroidal branches, with venous drainage through the internal cerebral veins. The pineal gland is best known for its role in the regulation of circadian rhythms through the synthesis and secretion of melatonin. However, its functions extend well beyond this. Here's an expanded look. The pineal gland is the body's biological clock regulator. Melatonin, a hormone it produces, synchronizes our body's internal clocks with external light-dark cycles. This function influences sleep onset, duration, and quality. The gland responds to light signals received via the retinohypothalamic tract, and light inhibits melatonin production, while darkness stimulates it, promoting restful sleep. In many animals, the pineal gland regulates seasonal behaviors like hibernation and reproduction. In humans, melatonin production exhibits subtle seasonal variations, impacting mood and hormonal balance. Melatonin is a potent antioxidant, scavenging free radicals in the brain and other tissues. It protects neurons from oxidative stress and may play a role in delaying neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. The pineal gland influences immune function by modulating the activity of T cells, B cells, and other immune components. Melatonin enhances immune response while helping to regulate inflammatory responses. Inhibitory effects on reproductive hormones in prepubertal children. The pineal gland exerts a suppressive effect on gonadotropin-releasing hormone, delaying the onset of puberty. In adults, melatonin influences reproductive hormones and may regulate menstrual cycles and fertility. The pineal gland has a role in mental health, as disruptions in melatonin production have been linked to mood disorders such as seasonal affective disorder and depression. There is a possible role in aging, because reduced melatonin levels in aging individuals may contribute to sleep disturbances, weakened immune responses, and other age-related illnesses. Studies suggest that maintaining pineal function might mitigate some aspects of aging. So what's the clinical significance of the pineal gland? Firstly, calcification. The pineal gland calcification increases with age. While considered a normal process, excessive calcification has been associated with reduced melatonin production sleep disorders, and even potential links to neurodegenerative diseases. Tumors. The pineal region can get tumors, although rare, and these can lead to symptoms such as headaches, visual disturbances, and hormonal disturbances. These often require surgical intervention or radiotherapy for select tumors. Hyposecretion of melatonin can result in insomnia and circadian rhythm disorders or seasonal affective disorder, as said prior, while hypersecretion might lead to excessive sleepiness or delayed puberty. Epiphyseal disorders. Experimental studies continue to explore the gland's involvement in diseases like schizophrenia, multiple sclerosis, as well as certain cancers. So, in conclusion, the pineal gland may be small, but its influence on human physiology is profound, from regulating sleep and mood to supporting the immune system and protecting the brain. This organ is essential for maintaining health and homeostasis. Continued research into its functions and disorders will undoubtedly enhance our understanding and treatment of related medical conditions. Let's keep the dialogue going, whether you're a neurosurgeon, medical student, or a curious member of the public. The mysteries of the pineal gland reminds us of the brain's fascinating complexity. Thank you for your attention and have a blessed day.